You know, we all must be experiencing
हाँ
magic.
वन्ना जी.
Yes, somebody wants to share.
हाँ हीना.
हाँ जी.
हाँ मैंने कल मॉर्निंग या परसों मॉर्निंग में मैंने वैसे ही, मेरी मेड है और मेरी डॉटर इन लो है, उनसे मैंने कहा कि मुझे कभी भी कुछ ऐसी बात निकली थी, तो मैंने बोला कि भाई हमारे नसीब में तो मेहनत का ही पैसा है. कई लोगों को वो लॉटरी लगती है, हाउसी लगती है, कहीं पे गिफ्ट वाउचर मिलते हैं, पर हमारे नसीब में तो मेहनत पर खुश है कि चलो भाई मेहनत कर. तो कल मैं, मेरी और फ्रेंड्स, हम लोग एक एग्जीबिशन अटेंड करने गए थे. तो वहाँ एंट्री फीस होती है और फिर वो कूपन देते हैं, तो उसमें से लकी ड्रॉ निकलता है. तो मुझे कल लकी ड्रॉ में गिफ्ट मिला. तो मैं इतनी
Wow.
खुश हुई. पहली बार लाइफ में मुझे गिफ्ट मिला.
Lovely.
तो
So
मुझे
happy,
लगा कि
so
नहीं चलो,
happy.
हाँ कुछ मैजिक हुआ.
Good.
So yeah, very
Good.
nice, lovely. Thanks for sharing. And how did you feel? जिसने
इतनी
आपको
खुश हो गई थी.
जिसने आपको I mean, did you remember to put magic dust?
हाँ हाँ. और मैंने कल वो भी मैं व्हीकल चला रही थी, तब मैंने वो मेरे व्हीकल पे और रास्ते पे बी सेफ, मैं सेफ चला रही हूँ. तो 3-4 गाड़ियों की ब्रेक लगी थी और मैं साइड में से निकल गई. मुझे लगा कि मैं भी गई अभी. तो वो कल भी मुझे एक वो भी एक्सपीरियंस रहा.
Lovely, lovely.
I want to share
Yeah, yeah.
response.
Thank you, Ina ji, for sharing your experience. Yes, yes, Mayur.
I want to share in response of Hina आंटी कि कुछ लोगों को ना ऐसे भगवान सिलेक्ट करते हैं कि you are the people who will give always. They are Santas. So they can never expect to get something from the universe or from anyone. तो
Yeah,
उनको लॉटरी लगी, वो अच्छी बात है, पर आज तक कुछ नहीं मिला बिकॉज शी इज चूजन बाय द यूनिवर्स टू गिव ऑलवेज.
yeah.
तो हमको ये सोचना चाहिए कि वी आर वर्थ, मतलब कि हम उतना है कि हमें मिलता है, हमें मांगने की जरूरत नहीं है.
Yes.
Yeah, it's
Yes,
true.
got it.
Yeah,
Thank
but Tina ji, you have anything to say on this?
you.
लेकिन
वरना जी
अनएक्सपेक्टेड मिलने से खुशी होती है.
हाँ बहुत ही, वो छोटे गिफ्ट पर इतनी
हाँ
मैं खुश
हाँ,
थी.
खुशी होती है.
कल
या
आके मैंने साफ करके वो 6 गिलास थे, 4 जार थी, साफ करके मैंने
हाँ,
किचन में रख भी दिया
खुशी
यूज
होती
करने
है.
के लिए.
वरना जी
हाँ जी, भरत जी.
मेरा एक्सपीरियंस परसों का ऐसा रहा कि मैं
हाँ.
मेरे नेटिव में था, अपना सेशन खत्म करके मैं फ्रेश होके फिर मैं अहमदाबाद के लिए निकला. जब हमारे गांव के तालाब पे हम लोग बैठे हुए थे, हमारा जो फ्रेंड मेरा सरपंच है, फिर हम लोग बैठे हुए थे और मेरा एक पुराना फार्मर आया, मेरे साथ हाथ मिलाया. उसने मुझे 5000 रुपीज दिए. मतलब मैंने न तो एक्सपेक्ट किया था, न तो मैंने डिमांड किया था. उसने दी कि लीजिए भरत भाई, ये लास्ट ईयर का कुछ हिसाब है, बाकी का हिसाब हम बाद में करेंगे, अभी 5000 रुपये मेरे पास है तो रख लीजिए. तो उसी टाइम मुझे इतना
Awesome.
अच्छा लगा और मैंने मतलब उसको भी थैंक यू बोला कि भाई थैंक यू भाई, तूने मुझे आज 5000 रुपीज दिए हैं. तो ये एक मेरा एक एक्सपीरियंस अच्छा रहा. दूसरा, ये जो मार्गी बता रही है ना, तो मार्गी का सांता है वो हिना है.
अब कोई सांता क्लॉज बोलेगा कि मुझे गिफ्ट चाहिए तो फिर बेचारे बच्चे कहाँ जाएंगे.
Okay. Thank you, Vanda ji.
Yes, so now Bharat ji, you can give magic dust to that farmer and
Yeah.
visualize that his life, his family, everybody is happy, joyful. He's making more and more money. You know, he is working hard. So whatever आपके दिल में आए वो आप कर सकते हो जब आप magic dust डालोगे. Yeah?
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you for sharing.
वन्ना जी,
हाँ
मैं
जी.
कुछ शेयर करना चाहती हूँ आज.
हाँ जी.
ये
आपका
2-3
नाम
दिन
ले लीजिए और आप शेयर करिए.
आई एम नम्रता.
ओके.
मैंने पहले भी शेयर किया हुआ है कि मेरा जो सन है माहिर, उसने ये सब जो रोज देख रहा था कि आप क्या कर रहे हो, मैजिक स्टोन भी लाके उसने वो रोज कर रहा है। और कल आपने जो बोला मैजिक डस्ट डालने का, तो मैंने एक बार उसको ऐसे बताया कि अभी ऐसे कुछ भी खाए, कुछ भी करे, काम स्टडी करे, तो ऐसे मैजिक डस्ट डालने का, तो उसने पूरा दिन वो कल किया। और मैजिक डस्ट डाल के फिर मेरे घर पे मनी प्लांट है, तो उसमें भी उसने ऐसे मैजिक डस्ट डाला। हर एक चीज में वो कर रहा है। तो वो एक्सपीरियंस भी हो रहा है और अच्छा हो रहा है। ऐसे मतलब 2-3 दिन से एक्सपीरियंस ऐसे हो रहे हैं कि जो आप बोल रहे हैं वो हम लोग कर भी रहे हैं और उसका हमको रिजल्ट भी मिल रहा है।
लवली लवली। तो कल आपने भी मैजिक
हाँ।
डस्ट डाला?
फुल डे मैंने जो भी मैं कर रही थी, तो वो याद करके पता नहीं वो आ ही जाता था। और वो चीज मैं कर रही थी, मतलब हर एक सेकंड, हर एक टाइम, हर एक पल में वो चीज कर रही थी। मैं रात को सोते टाइम भी ऐसे सब, मतलब जो भी पर्सन याद आ रहा हो, जो भी चीज याद आ रही हो, उसके ऊपर ऐसे मैजिक डस्ट डाल रही थी।
लवली लवली। थैंक यू फॉर शेयरिंग नम्रता जी।
वन्या जी,
Thank
मैं
you.
इधर नम्रता को थैंक बोलूंगी, क्योंकि उन्होंने ही हमको ये सेशन के लिए ये कहा था और हम लोग ज्वाइंट हुए। तो थैंक यू
Yes.
सो मच नम्रता, एंड थैंक यू सो मच वन्या जी कि इतनी
थैंक यू।
ब्यूटीफुल जर्नी में हम जुड़ गए हैं।
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर।
और आपकी स्माइल बहुत लवली है। आपका जो ये लवली फेस वो में देखते हैं ना, तो पूरा दिन अच्छा निकलता है।
थैंक यू सो मच।
अभी वंदना जी, हम लोग घर के 4 मेंबर हैं, मैं, हीना, मार्गे और नम्रता।
हाँ जी।
वी आर ऑल फैमिली मेंबर्स।
So nice.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. So yes, anybody else has any sharings? So I have a sharing. Yeah, somebody wants to share.
Yes. नम्रता जी बता रही है ना कि माहिर, वो उनका बेटा, वो सिर्फ खुद ही नहीं कर रहा है, वो इस चीज को शेयर भी कर रहा है।
Wow.
Like
Wow.
my son and Mahir are siblings. So
हाँ,
on 25th January, we arrange play dates on holidays for them.
हाँ,
So he came to my house for night stay.
हाँ.
So he was sharing with my son. My son is younger than him. Ki, do you know about the magic rock and all? And my son is being over smart that there is no such magic in this world, and it's just a stone. You know, Mahir, I don't believe in superstitions and all.
हाँ.
And Mahir was unable to explain himself moreover because my son was arguing with him. And I and my husband were sitting and we were watching what is happening at the end. And Mahi tries to convince that what we have to do, we have to say thank you to the rock like this, and then we have to make a wish too.
Okay.
This rock will help you. He is adding his own imagination to this.
Lovely.
And you will get whatever you want. So now my son became greedy. Is it so that so both they came to me? They always make me judge. Then my son has he saw many cartoons of Hanumanji, and he started believing that Hanumanji is my personal god.
Okay.
He is having a possessive feeling for Hanumanji. So when I asked, you don't believe in this rock? So he said no. Do you believe in God Hanumanji's Murti? Then he said yes. What is made from the Murti? Is it from stone? So he has to convince himself, and he also asked, Mama, where is my rock? उसको लगा कि Mahir will get everything and I will not.
So did he go and choose a rock? Did he find a rock for himself?
He has many pebbles in his drawings on his
Yeah.
wall.
Yeah, you had mentioned
But
one.
he is not doing every day like Mahir. Mahir is a punctual person. One thing enters in his schedule, it will remain for longer time. And my son is just for that day.
No, so just give blessings to your son So just now आपने कुछ एक दो complaints भी कर दी when you were sharing. So about your son. So just give blessings. Yeah, and and you remember one complaint is equal to 10 blessings. So just give blessings and remember one thing: our kids are there in our lives to teach us some lessons. So हमारे बच्चे
Yes, of
हमें हमेशा
course.
कुछ ना कुछ सिखाने के लिए आते हैं. So just give blessings to him and see. Don't say anything and he'll start doing, and lot of magic will come in his life too.
Sure, sure.
You know, children are very innocent. Children are very innocent and they actually are in the world of magic. It is because of we as parents that we put on, you know, give inputs to them, and then they are in a different space. So the world of magic is visible to them. So how you mentioned na, that Namrata ji's son, he said that you can wish also and this magic rock will give you. So they are so creative. It's not that he read somewhere or somebody told him. You know, it is there. It is there, and we all can do that. And it's very true what he said.
और वो कल पूछ भी रहा था मेरे को कि क्या करने का ये स्टोन हाथ में लेके, थैंक यू बोलने का और आगे कुछ करने का. फिर मैंने उसको बोला कि
हाँ.
ड्यूरिंग द डे तुम जो भी कर रहे हो अच्छा काम, वो सब याद कर. तू देखो जितना भी याद आ रहा है यू
हाँ.
कैन. तो वो
हाँ.
सब उसको मैं भी याद करवा रही थी और वो खुद भी इमेजिन कर रहा था. तो
Lovely.
हैबिट धीरे धीरे आ रहा है उसमें भी.
Yes. Yes, anybody else has any sharing before we start today's chapter? So कौन पढ़ रहा है आज? Who is reading?
मैं रीड करूं, पढ़ूं मैं.
कौन है ये? आप अपना
हीना.
नाम ले. हीना जी.
हीना.
Okay. Yes, Hina ji, you're welcome to read. So, okay, just before we begin, I have a small sharing. So, yesterday's assignment when I was doing, and I wanted to give magic dust to all those people. So I made a list, and the list was endless. It would not end. So I came to 10, then I said, let me stop. But I went on, went on, went on. It came to 15 people. So, and then, so there was, what happened was that there was a long term, you know, many things were pending in my house for some renovation, some repair work in the house, in the furniture. So I was trying to call a carpenter since many days, but it was, you know, something was happening, and the carpenter would not come, or, you know, he would say, I am caught up in something. So it was all these days, it was like that. So yesterday, finally, I called a carpenter and another new carpenter, and he came. So when he came in the evening, all the work which we thought will not be possible, because there's something in the almirah, something in the wardrobe, something in the kitchen, and all that, you know, he did it so effortlessly. He did everything without saying anything, and there was one part of the cupboard jisme it was not happening. So he took about 15-20 minutes and made sure that that problem in the cupboard is, you know, it's repaired. And finally he went at 7:30 in the evening. It took him about 2.5 hours to do the entire work. And then when I felt so happy and so grateful to him. And when I sprinkled magic dust on him, so you know, I asked him also while he was working कि आप कहाँ रहते हैं and who all are there in the family. So he said that I stay with my brothers, my family is in my village. So I mentally, you know, just shut my eyes and I just sat before I went to sleep in the night, and I just sprinkled magic dust on his entire family, wishing that he gets more and more clients, and he, you know, his money increases in his life. So all that, you know, everything what came in my mind, you can just go into details. So then I did to my building watchman, then I did to the milkman who comes. So, you know, remembered everybody, and individually I sprinkled magic dust. And by the end of it, I was feeling so happy, so happy. There was an unusual happiness in my, in my mind and in my body. And I was feeling very, very light in my body also. So like that, we can keep on. It's not that, it will stop today. We can keep on sprinkling magic dust on everybody. Yes? Yes, thank you. So you can begin day 11, a magic morning.
Day 11, a magic morning.
Yes.
When you arise in the morning, think of what a privilege it is to be alive, to think, to enjoy, to love. Marcus
Aurelius,
Aurelius
121 to 180,
121 to 180,
Roman Emperor.
180, Roman emperor.
Yes.
Uh,
So, you know what? Also, when we when we count our blessings and when we are grateful to somebody, our focus also shifts. तो सुबह सुबह जब हम करते हैं, जैसे आज का असाइनमेंट किन किन लोगों ने किया? सुबह उठ के saying thank you to everything. Who all did
yes,
before you
yes,
came out of the bed?
yes.
Yes.
Okay, lovely,
Yes.
lovely. So, what happened? आपने observe किया आपका focus जो था, अगर कोई complaining आ भी रही है, तो वो आने का कोई जगह ही नहीं है. Your focus is shifted. And the first 45 minutes when we wake up, scientifically it has been proven that we are in the subconscious state of mind. And the last 45 minutes before we go to sleep in the night. तो उस period में आपने जो भी किया, that's going to stay with you. Yeah, so when you arise in the morning, why arise? Rise in the morning क्यों नहीं लिखा है? Why arise in the morning? What is the meaning of arise? Can anybody Google and see? Please, if you can Google and see. Because when we Google and see, उसका meaning कुछ अलग ही आता है. तो just Google and see what is the meaning of arise and what is the meaning of rise. There is a difference. So rise, we actually say na, we rise in the morning. Yeah, the sun rises. We never say we arise in the morning. There is a reason why this word is used. Anybody? Okay. So when I saw in the dictionary, it said that begin to exist. मतलब कि जब हम when we are waking up, we are actually beginning to exist. मतलब हमको ये realization हो कि इसके पहले कि ये body है, ये hands है, ये legs है, थोड़ा सा movement हुआ, थोड़ी सी आंखें खुली, you are beginning to exist. From that time onwards, say thank you, thank you, thank you. जब आप सुबह जागे तो सोचे कि जीवित रहना, think of, to be alive, जीवित रहना, सोचना, आनंद लेना और प्रेम करना एक सौभाग्य है. It's so beautiful. Just think, ऐसा सोच के अगर हम अपने दिन को चालू करेंगे, शुरू करेंगे, तो how will our day be? We will experience it through the day for all those who have done it. And after we read the chapter, we'll know how to do it at a deeper level. So, just love people, to love people, love what you're doing, enjoy. आपको मजे लेना है life में. So try doing it. Just think of all this and then start your day. Yeah, please continue.
Meaning of arise in Google, come to light.
Come to?
Light.
Come to light. Yeah,
Yeah.
come to light. Yes. What is the other meaning?
There is only one.
Emerge.
Sorry?
Emerge.
Right. Emerge. Yeah, that also makes sense. When you emerge in the morning, जब आप निकलते हैं, when you are, when निकलते मतलब when you come out of the consciousness, जो sleep consciousness, जो रात भर हम सोते हैं, उस state से when you emerge, when you emerge out of that state, that is arise. Yes. And yeah, please continue.
The easiest and the easiest and simplest way to ensure that your day ahead will be filled with magic is to fill your morning with gratitude. When you incorporate gratitude into your morning routine, you will feel and see its magical benefits throughout the whole day.
Yes.
Each morning is full of opportunities to give thanks, and it doesn't show you down
It doesn't slow you
or
down.
take any extra time because you can do it naturally as you go about everything you do. There is an added bonus to filling your morning with gratitude because your day routines are the
Your
when
daily routines are the
times when you can harm yourself the most by thinking negative thoughts without realizing you are doing it. There is no room for harmful negative thoughts when your mind is focused on looking for things to be grateful for. After this practice, you will go into your day feeling much happier and more confident that the day ahead will be great. And that's when you will see the magic happen before your very eyes.
Yes.
When
So,
you wake up,
yeah, just a minute, Hina ji. So, whenever we are into that state, into that beautiful state of just saying thank you, thank you, thank you for everything, thank you, thank you. We keep on saying that and we keep on blessing, then there is no room for harmful or negative thoughts. Apna, your focus is only shifted. Your focus is shifted to some other space, just finding out things for which you can be grateful for. तो negative thoughts का तो कोई जगह ही नहीं रहता है. And this practice will, you will go into your day feeling much happier. We all are experiencing this, right? Yes, no, that we feel much happier and more confident. Yes, no, please write it on the chat, and then you will see the magic
yes.
happen before your very eyes. And we all today, so many sharings were there, and we all are seeing magic happening before our very eyes. Yes, when you wake up.
When you wake up to the new day today, before you move, before you do a single thing, say the magic words thank you. Say thank you for the fact that you are alive and that you have been given another day of life. Your life is a gift. Every day is a gift. And when you really think about it, it's
It's inconceivable. मतलब
it's
कि
inconceivable.
मतलब कि समझ से परे है.
Okay. It's inconceivable that any of us would wake up in the morning without giving thanks for another day. If you think a new day isn't such a big deal, then just try missing one. It doesn't matter how sleepy you are, or if your alarm has woken you up for work, or you have give slept in during the weekend. The moment you wake, say the magic words, thank you for another day of your life.
Yes, yes. So just a minute. Huh. So, when you wake up the new day today, before you move, before you do a single thing, मतलब कि, we haven't put our foot on the ground, पाँव जमीन पे रखने से पहले ही, say the magic words, thank you. Say thank you for the fact that you are alive. मतलब आप जिंदा हैं. आपको एक और दिन मिला है, एक और खूबसूरत दिन मिला है. Your life is a gift. Every day is a gift. मतलब कि एक एक गिफ्ट है हमारे लिए. You know, this another day, this new day, this new beginning is a gift for us. एक उपहार है. और जब हम ऐसा सोचेंगे तो बस you wake up in a different state only. And what I have noticed is if we smile and say, then it's a different experience altogether. Just smile at yourself. और कुछ याद नहीं आए, just feel different parts of your body. But this you're doing before you've taken a foot on the floor, before you've actually sat down on the bed. You're doing all this, say thank you. And even if you're sleepy, just say thank you. So जो रात को अगर हमने मैजिक रॉक प्रैक्टिस की and we've said thank you, then automatically you notice कि सुबह थैंक यू निकलेगा ही. पर ये थोड़ा और कॉन्शियसली करने को बोल रहा है ये बुक, that you do more consciously, more deeper, and how we'll read as we go further. So the moment you wake, say the magic words thank you. For what? For another day of your life. So beautiful. Feel grateful, look around you, hear the birds, the sound of the birds chirping. Today when I woke up, yesterday it was a full moon day. So saw the full moon, the light was coming, light अंदर आ रही थी. And we have, wooden flooring है हमारे. तो उसके ऊपर बिल्कुल सिल्वर लाइट एकदम दिख रही थी. बिल्कुल मतलब लाइट ऑन नहीं था रूम में, और मून की लाइट रोशनी अंदर आ रही थी. And it was so beautiful. And I really love seeing that. So, then I wake up my husband, see, the moon is there. I'll go to my son and I'll, wake him up and tell him. And they all would very sweetly wake up and see the moon. So the full moon is really, really beautiful. So like that, आप अपनी चारों तरफ देख सकते हैं. Maybe if the moon is not visible, or when you look outside you can see the lovely sky, or you can hear the sound of the birds. अगर plants दिख रहे हैं तो plants को देख सकते हैं. Just be more and more present to whatever is there, and there'll be so many reasons to say thank you. Yes, continue, please continue.
Say thank you for the good night's sleep you received. Are you fortunate enough to have slept in a bed with sheets and a pillow? Thank you as your feet hit the ground. Say thank you. Do you have a bathroom? Thank you. Are you able to turn on the taps and immediately receive fresh, clean water every morning? Thank you. Imagine all the people who dug the uh,
Trenches.
trenches and laid the pipes across your country, throughout your city, and along all the streets to your home so you can turn a tap and receive bath beautiful clean hot water. Thank you. As you reach for your toothbrush and toothpaste, thank you. Without them, your day would not begin so pleasantly. Thank you for the towels, the soap, the mirror, and everything in the bathroom you use that makes you feel fresh, awake, and ready for the day.
Yes. So many things now we have discovered to say thank you when you wake up in the morning. So on the bed you slept on clean sheets, and you slept on a pillow and you had a good night's sleep. And when you touch Mother Earth, then you say thank you. When you go to the bathroom, and so many things are already there for you in the bathroom. The toothpaste is there, the toothbrush is there, and so beautiful when you just turn the tap on, and the water comes. How magical, na? सो हमने कभी उस मोमेंट में हमने कभी सोचा कि किन लोगों ने जो गड्ढे खोदे हमारे लिए और वो पाइप्स को ले किया, फिर वो पाइप्स मेन कनेक्शन जो वाटर सप्लाई है वहां से कनेक्ट होता हुआ हमारे बिल्डिंग में आता हुआ हमारे बाथरूम में आ रहा है. हु ऑल डिड दिस? क्या कभी हमने सोचा कि ये किसने किया, ये इतनी मार्वलस अमेजिंग जॉब किसने किया, किसके दिमाग में फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये थॉट आया कि ऐसे ऐसे स्ट्रक्चर बना सकते हैं. इट्स सो ब्यूटिफुल. So say thank you. And also when you reach to your toothbrush, toothpaste, without them you could not have begun. नहीं तो हम अगर toothbrush, toothpaste नहीं होता तो just imagine ना, how would the state of our teeth be, and how would our we would not be comfortable with our own smell, the bad breath, and the towels and the soap and the mirror and everything in the bathroom. सबका एक अलग अलग place assigned है, and it's so beautiful. So it's so beautiful to feel, and we are so lucky to have all this. There are people who don't have a bathroom, who don't have a house, who don't have a roof, who don't have a bed, a proper bed to sleep. So be grateful for these small, small things. It might be small, but they are the basic necessities of life. And these basic necessities is also not available to so many people around us. So be as grateful as you can be. Yes, please continue.
As you get dressed, think about how fortunate you are to have clothes to choose from and wear. Thank you. Think about how many people must have been involved in making all the various items of clothing you put on and wear it one day. It's likely that the clothes you put on in one day come from many countries across the planet. Thank you to everybody. Do you have shoes? Lucky you. Imagine life without them. Thank you for shoes.
Yes. So it's a privilege that we have so many things with us. There are people who just have 2 or 3 pairs of clothes, and they just keep on alternating with those clothes. So when you open your wardrobe, there are so many clothes. And have you ever thought ki just look at the clothes that you're wearing right now. Have you ever thought that how it was created, how from where it started? So there was cotton which grew, then there were cotton bales, then there was the yarn, then the clothes were put into, processing. So then, and then the bleach was put in, then it was dyed into a color, then it was put into a printing machine, or some blocks, if there are blocks, block printing is there. So different ways of printing. And then it was cut, it went to the shopkeeper, then you bought that material, or you bought a ready-made cloth, then it went to the tailor, then it was made, and finally it came to you for wearing. So many things are involved in just getting this pair of clothes that you're wearing just now. So thank you everybody. You could visualize yourself, आप imagine कर सकते हैं कितने लोगों ने इसमें मेहनत की है. So thank you everybody. And do you have a pair of shoes? It feels so funny na, that we might say in our mind, of course I have a pair of shoes, of course I have a pair of chappals, of course I have a pair of slippers. But you know uh, it feels funny, but it is true that there are people who don't have a pair of footwear. They don't have anything to wear. हमने देखा है अपनी लाइफ में, and they are so happy still. But are we grateful for the pair of shoes? Not even one pair of shoes. I know people who have more than 60, 70 pair of shoes in their wardrobe. And they want more. They want more. They want to add more. So just be grateful that you have whatever you have. Just be grateful for it, and say, express yourself and say thank you. Thank you for these lovely pair of shoes, because of which I can walk on the road without any thing touching my feet. So any dust touching my feet, or without being hurt, so I can walk smoothly, I can run faster. All that you have to visualize. Yeah, please continue.
I have always been delighted at the prospect of a new day, a fresh try, one more start with perhaps a bit of magic waiting somewhere behind the morning. J.B. Priestley, 1894 to 1984, writer and playwright.
So beautiful, na? I have been always delighted at the prospect of a new day, a fresh try. मतलब कि हमने जो भी है, it's a new beginning. Can we just think like that? That every day is a new day. Every day is a new beginning. हमको अगर कुछ हमने कुछ कल किया हो, and we failed in anything, let's give a fresh try. You know, वापस से जैसे कोई एकदम स्क्रैच से वी आर डूइंग, लेट्स डू इट दैट वे, वन मोर स्टार्ट with perhaps a bit of magic waiting somewhere behind the morning. And that's very, 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 very true. Something wonderful is always in the verge of happening. कुछ ऐसा मैजिकल हमारी लाइफ में हमेशा हमेशा हो रहा है, you know, and that is true, it is true, it's always happening when we all are experiencing it right now. So ऐसा नहीं है कि वो हमारी लाइफ में पहले नहीं था, it was there, but हमारी awareness ही नहीं थी, we were not present to all that magic which was happening earlier also. पर अभी हम सजग हो गए हैं, you know, we are aware, right? Please continue.
Make today as good as it can be by practicing concentrated gratitude and putting the magic into your morning routine. From the moment you open your eyes until you have put your shoes on or finished getting ready, say the magic words thank you in your mind for everything you touch and use. It doesn't matter if you don't shower or get dressed first thing in the morning. You can still use the magic morning practice as a guide and apply it to whatever your morning routine is. If you wake up and eat breakfast first, then as you touch and use each thing for your breakfast, say the magic words thank you. Give thanks for your morning coffee, tea, fruit juice, or breakfast. They make your mornings so enjoyable and give you energy for the day.
Yes. So, how many of us do remember to sprinkle magic dust on whatever we are eating and drinking? How many of us are doing that? Yes, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Who else? Who else?
मैंने वो आज अपना सेशन शुरू होने से पहले जो मेरे पेन थी, डायरी थी, ये मेरा टैबलेट है, फोन है, वाटर बॉटल है, डायरी, सबको मैंने वो मैजिक डस्ट किया और टच करके थैंक यू बोला.
Lovely. So हमें ये रोज करना है, you know, every day. It's not that it's today's chapter, so we have to do today. You have to do it every day. And as somebody, it was Chandrika who shared in the morning that the manager is very helpful. So we remember we did our invisible manager. So she was saying that the manager is really helpful, and the manager reminds her that no, don't do this, don't complain, don't go into this zone. And you know, so we have to keep on, like how we discussed now, you have to join the dots, you have to join the dots. So सारी चीजें, ऐसा नहीं कि आज ये है तो आज ही ये करना है, you can do everything together. So sprinkling magic dust, saying thank you, as Hina ji, you said that you touched everything and you said thank you, sprinkle magic dust. Then you can also tell your manager, okay, make a note of it, I have done this, you know, just remind me. So automatically you will be reminded. आपको एकदम अपने आप ही याद आएगा कि, you know, I have to do this also, I have to do this also. As I take a first step forward, I have to thank my body. As I wake up in the morning, the first thing I have to say, thank you, thank you, thank you. जो भी, you know, whatever you remember, It will come. It will come when you wake up in the morning. So whatever we are reading in this chapter, it will come, or whatever we have read in the previous chapters, it will come. Also, if as I told you 2 days back also, जब भी हम कोई चैप्टर पढ़ रहे हैं, तो आप अपने लिए एक कुछ मंत्र उस चैप्टर से निकाल लीजिए, so that becomes a जस्ट जैसे हम किसी को देखते हैं, तो जैसे कोई पिक्चर को देखते हैं तो हमें वो मोमेंट्स का याद आ जाता है ना, दैट पिक्चर सेज एवरीथिंग. सो लाइक दैट मंत्र विल से एवरीथिंग, दैट वर्ड, दैट सेंटेंस विल से एवरीथिंग फॉर यू, एंड यू कैन जस्ट चूज. सो हर हम सब लोग अलग अलग चीज हमको टच करेगी, सो दैट कैन बी योर मंत्र. सो जस्ट चूज दैट मंत्र एंड बी प्रेजेंट टू whatever, however, whatever you are hearing, the reader is reading for us. So you will, you will get attracted. Something will touch you. So that will be your mantra for the day. Yes.
मैं एक मजे की बात बोलूं, जो आपने मैनेजर की बात की ना, तो
हाँ
मैं
जी.
अब कांस्टेंट फील कर रही हूँ कि मेरे साथ मैनेजर है, तो मैं जब बात लेने के लिए वॉशरूम में गई तो मैंने बोला प्लीज स्टे आउटसाइड. थैंक यू.
Okay. No, the manager will always be there with you, even if you say please stay out. Manager will stay out. Okay, so let's continue.
Be grateful for the kitchen appliance you use for your breakfast, the refrigerator, hot plates, oven, toaster, coffee maker, or kettle. Every day without expectation, I say thank.
Every day without exception.
Every day without exception, I say thank as I put one foot on the floor and you as my other foot touch the floor.
So thank on one foot and you on the other foot. जैसे एक पाँव रखा thank, दूसरा पाँव रखा you. So again it becomes more and more focused and concentrated, because thank you बोलने से वो you can't feel, वो feelings नहीं रहती है. तो इसको और ज़्यादा deepen कर दिया है that on the first foot, when you take a first step, you say thank, and the second step you say you. Wow. Yes.
So that as both feet touch the floor for the first time each day, I have said thank you. As I walk toward my bathroom, I say the magic words thank you in my mind with each step. Then I continue saying thank you in my mind as I touch and use each thing in my bathroom. By the time I am dressed and ready for the day, I feel so happy. I could jump for joy. And when I feel that happy, I know my gratitude has worked and I am guaranteed to have a magical day. As I go through my day, I really feel as though I have a magic power.
As though.
I really feel as though I have a magic power with me because one good thing after another happens. And as each good thing happens, I am even more grateful, which speeds up the magic with even more good things happening. You know, those days when everything just seems to go right for you, well, that's what it's like after doing magic morning, but multiply.
Yes, multiplied.
Multiply.
So, yeah, so it doesn't matter whatever your routine is, whatever you are doing, you have to say just thank you in every step, every step. So now it's so beautiful. One step you say thank, the other step you say you, then another step say thanks. So automatically that rush, that mad rush, it will just stop. जो हमारी जो फास्ट पेस जिंदगी है वो धीरे अपने आप स्लो डाउन हो जाएगी, बट दैट डजंट मीन यू वोंट बी एबल टू डू थिंग्स ऑन टाइम. It will be, your things will, your work will be much more faster. So what is the science of today's chapter is that when you wake up, the first thing what we do, it will continue throughout the day. Our day, nothing will go wrong in our day. So हमने जब वो secret movie देखी थी, all of us saw the secret movie. You remember that girl who wakes up with the alarm clock and she wakes up in a hurry and she stubs her foot. उसके चोट लग जाती है पाँव में. Then when she goes in the bathroom, there is no toothpaste. वो खत्म हो गया होता है. जब वो पानी का नल खोलती है तो पानी नहीं रहता है. So everything, everything वो पूरी एक cycle ही बन जाती है. Everything happens not the way it is expected. So now the book is teaching us, the science behind today's chapter is that if we, whatever we start, however we start, whatever feelings we start, with whatever thoughts we start our day is designed like that. वो पूरा structure दिन का बन जाता है. उस मोमेंट में वो जो आप 5 मिनट 10 मिनट जो आप सुबह सुबह उठने के पहले, बिफोर यू अराइज, बिफोर यू एक्चुअली एग्जिस्ट, बिफोर आपको पता चले कि ये बॉडी है, ये आर्म्स है, ये लेग्स है, ये आईज है, ये ईयर्स है, बिफोर यू आर एक्चुअली अवेयर, that time if you say be grateful, say thank you, but not just mechanically, feel it and say, and then the day, then the structure of the day is completely different, and we will be able to see lots and lots of magic once we have started our day like that. And that's what it's like after doing magic morning, but multiplied. मतलब कि अगर आपने एक बार थैंक यू बोला है, 2 बार बोला है, ऐसे करते करते आपने कितनी बार थैंक यू बोला है, you know it's uncountable. So your magic which will happen during the day will be multiplied. मतलब इतना ज्यादा हो जाएगा कि आप काउंट भी नहीं कर सकोगे, इतना मैजिक होगा. Yes? Yeah, so we'll read today's assignment. Magic practice number 11. Yes, Hina ji?
A magic practice number 11, a magic morning. Number 1, when you wake up to a new day, before you do a single thing, say the magic words, thank you. From the moment you open your eyes until you have finished getting ready, say the magic words, thank you, in your mind for everything you touch and use. Number 3, count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for the blessing as you can. Number 4, just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, thank you, for the best thing that happened during the day. Thank you.
Thank you, Hina ji, for reading so beautifully. Thank you so much. So yes, magic practice number 11. Have you noticed that now, I think it was there in the 10th chapter also, the previous chapter, that the first, earlier till those 9 days, it was at first count your blessings. And then the last one would always be just before you go to sleep tonight. But now it says something else. Number 1, number 2 has changed. When you wake up, especially the point number 1 is when you wake up to the new day, before you do a single thing, say the magic words, thank you. So, we are going, every day we are going one step further. And the book is assuming that now we are into the habit of counting your blessings. What we write now, 10 blessings. minimum 10 blessings, could be more than that, जो हम लिखते हैं अपने journal में. Now the book is assuming that हम सबकी habit ही बन गई है, and it will be a habit. My invitation to all of you is that make it as a habit throughout your life. You will not, it will
Ma'am.
be unimaginable that once you know, if it's like how you take the first breath in, जैसे आप सुबह उठ के आप सांस लेते हैं, वैसे इसको बना लीजिए. Let's make it a lifestyle change, that count your blessings, say thank you. You know, now we have another thing that जब आप सुबह उठेंगे तो first thing is you say thank you, धन्यवाद, धन्यवाद, you know, and then look around. जो भी चीज के लिए आप थैंक यू बोल सकते हैं, वो जरूरी नहीं है कि एवरीडे सेम होगा, हर दिन कुछ अलग ही निकलेगा, कुछ अलग चीज के लिए आप धन्यवाद बोलोगे. So then that is happening, then count your blessings, and in the night we all are doing the magic rock. So now for today's assignment, the first 2 points the first point is different. Before you actually count your blessings, you are saying thank you. Thank you. जो क्या चीज के लिए बोलना है वो हमने पढ़ा, और we will do a meditation also on this today. So before that, if anything needs to be clarified, anything we want to ask, and anything we want to, you know, share also.
Ma'am, can I share?
Yes, Bharat ji.
ये जो नंबर अपना प्रैक्टिस का जो नंबर 1 पॉइंट है,
हाँ
वो
जी.
मतलब मैं कई मेरे मतलब काफी टाइम से, मुझे याद नहीं कहाँ कब से, लेकिन एवरी डे में जब उठता हूँ तो मैं थैंक यू बोलता हूँ और भगवान को बोलता हूँ कि भाई थैंक यू गॉड, आज के दिन मेरी लाइफ में ऐड करने के लिए.
So beautiful. So
उसके
beautiful.
बाद में फिर मैं मेरे बेड से बाहर निकलता हूँ.
Lovely. Very nice that you shared that आज के दिन, आज मेरी लाइफ में आज का दिन और ऐड कर दीजिए. So beautiful. So beautiful. Yes, anybody else has anything to say before we start our meditation? So make sure that you're not disturbed by any other sound outside, any other outside sound. Make sure that you are not disturbed by anybody else. So if you want to say anything, if you want to give instructions, you can give your instructions, you can set the structure before we actually begin, because it's a very, very deep, profound meditation that we are doing today. Yes, so we all are ready. Are we all ready?
Yes.
Yes. So make yourself as comfortable as you can, sitting in a very, very comfortable way. You can sit on a chair, you can sit on the ground, you can sit on Mother Earth. Wherever you are, make yourself as comfortable as you can. And be aware of your breath. Be aware of your inhalations. Be aware of your exhalations. Your natural inhalations and your natural exhalations. Be aware of whatever we read today, and we all have been doing, whatever information, whatever knowledge we have acquired, to feel gratitude. Because gratitude is the fastest way to raise your vibrations so that you can attract to yourself the life of your dreams. Remember to feel gratitude for all that you already have and all that you are in the process of manifesting. Everything you desire is simply waiting for you in the infinite field of consciousness, and your gratitude will magnetize and maximize your power of manifestation. So thank you Thank you for this day. Thank you for the air I breathe. Thank you for the gift of life. Thank you. Thank you for my bed. Thank you for the roof over my head. Thank you for my legs. Thank you for my eyes. Thank you for my arms. Thank you for my fingers. Thank you. Thank you for the warmth. Thank you for my healthy body. Thank you for the earth beneath my feet. Thank you for my strong muscles. Thank you for my bones. Thank you, my eyes. Thank you, my ears. Thank you, my healthy digestive system. Thank you to my nervous system. Thank you for my clothes. Thank you for my footwear. Thank you for this day. Thank you for the air I breathe. Thank you for the gift of life. Thank you. Thank you for the movement. Thank you for my ability to learn and grow. Thank you for all the colors around me. Thank you for my ability to make peace with my body. Thank you for the music. Thank you for my inner sunshine. Thank you for my ability to trust. Thank you for my inner wisdom. Thank you for the day. Thank you for the air I breathe. Thank you for the gift of life. Thank you. Thank you for the dance. Thank you for my vibrant energy. Thank you for my natural talents. Thank you for all my experiences. Thank you for my healthy boundaries. Thank you for my blessings. Thank you for my capacity to be loved and be loved. Thank you for my capacity to love and being loved. Thank you for my unique spark of the divine. Thank you for all my connection to all that is. Thank you. Thank you for this day. Thank you for the air I breathe. Thank you for the gift of life. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. You can continue to sit as you are. Be in your own inner space of silence and gratitude. Feel as grateful as you can with a smile on your face. Feel as happy and joyful as you can. Saying thank you to yourself. Placing your right palm on your heart center. And we'll say thank you to ourselves. Thank you. You can call yourself by your name. Thank you, Vandana. Thank you. Thank you. And then whenever you feel that beautiful smile on your lips, that beautiful smile in your eyes and in your heart, and your entire body radiating that smile, You can slowly open your eyes. So anybody wants to share anything? How did you feel after doing this gratitude meditation? Thanking yourself for all the possible things. Whatever are your thoughts. Even, at times if you get a negative thought, just say thank you. Thank you. If anybody has anything to share before we end today's session? Yes?
या
किसी को
वंदना जी,
share करना
आई
है?
कैन शेयर।
Yes?
जब अपने ये अभी मेडिटेशन थैंक यू कर रहे थे, तो सडनली मेरे माइंड में क्लिक किया कि
थोड़ा सा जोर से उषा जी, थोड़ा सा जोर से। आपकी
तो
आवाज बहुत धीरे आ रही है।
बोल रही हूँ, जब अपने ये मेडिटेशन कर रहे थे, थैंक यू कर रहे थे, तो मेरे माइंड में आया कि जब मैं यूएस गई थी, वहाँ ऑलवेज थैंक यू, मतलब छोटी छोटी बात में अपने, अब मेरे को रियलाइज हो रहा है कि लोग जस्ट लिफ्ट में बटन पुश करते हैं, दे आर टेलिंग थैंक यू, मतलब जब एंटर करते हैं लिफ्ट में, दे आर स्माइलिंग।
लवली।
वो सब मेरे को उस समय याद आ रहा था, मतलब दे आर मतलब अननोन पर्सन,
यस,
बट दे आर ग्रीटिंग, स्माइल करते हैं, थैंक यू, थोड़ा सा साइड हुए, पास दिए उनको, थैंक यू।
यस, लवली। Yeah. So how are you feeling after the session? Yes.
इसके पीछे या तो ये है कि अपने लोगों का जो बॉर्न एंड बॉटअप में ये शुरू से नहीं डाला गया थैंक यू का।
Usha ji, don't say this again. You're going into the complaining mode.
नहीं,
unconsciously you're complaining. So what?
Yeah.
How did you feel?
नहीं, अब मेरे को ये, हाँ, तो ये मैं अब धीरे धीरे चेंजिंग कर रही हूँ अपना सोच में।
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for sharing. Thank you. Yes, anybody else? Anybody else wants to share? How are you feeling after doing this very, very short meditation of gratitude? Thank you.
Few feelings are to feel only.
Sorry,
Margie here.
Maggie ji.
After the meditation, what I feel like, this is just to feel, to experience the amazing gratefulness
Yes.
within. So we can't find words
Yeah.
to sit silent and feel whatever is going inside. It's an amazing feeling.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. So there is nothing left, whatever is existing, whatever thoughts are there, whatever words are there, whatever whatever you can imagine, that for being thankful to all that. There is nothing that you can't be thankful for.
We are arise with new gratitude.
Yes. Lovely. Nicely you said. We've arrived with new gratitude. Wow. Wow. Yeah, so Uma is traveling and she's written, my skin is feeling a tingling and an aura of warmth around me. Yeah, Uma is traveling, so she had messaged me earlier that her phone will be in silent because there are others who are, she's on a holiday, so there are others in the room and she wouldn't like to disturb everybody. So she has written, thank you, Uma, thank you. I'll just write it down. Yes, Anybody else has any sharings? Anybody else wants to share? Yes, no? Nobody else? Okay, lovely. So thank you everyone for today's session.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Till we meet tomorrow, have
Thank you.
a
Thank you.
of magic.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank
Same
you.
to
Thank
you.
Thank you. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.